At the moment is in Pietra di Ligure, so we have to eat fast. Fortunately, this time.
Correct.
More tickets, more money. I prefer to use the machine actually. Doing what? I don't know. There was tanker.
Dove?